Hi, my name's Sam Burnett. We're here at Global Zoom 2019 in Vienna. I'm the creative director of Hare Bone, and I'm here with KMS creating a collection called Tainted Quartz. This is one of our editorial looks based on one of the crystals. So we've worked with some really deep purples, violets and blue tones. We've set the hair using a very small tong, then brushed it all out with a Mason and Pearson and used some KMS sea salt spray to really give it a nice gritty, raw texture. I'm just going to use a little bit of the working hairspray to dress this look out for you. There you go. I hope you like the look and check out the rest on YouTube.